So you know how to create a website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and you wanted to show others your project and your skills, but you don't want to spend money on hosting and domain at start. Then don't worry. Hey fellas, it's Nathan here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get free hosting and domain for your website and to host your website online totally free. But before I start, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the latest videos notification uploaded in the future. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Now let's cut to the chase and let's get right into the video. Now I'm here on my screen and I'm over here on my browser, and I've opened up a website named w3schools.com, www.w3schools.com. that's the URL. And you ever heard of W3 Schools at some point of your coding journey? So it's basically a free institute, a free school, basically a coding school. So that's what it is basically. So first what you gotta do is you have to navigate to it. This is the URL. I'll show you. This is the URL, www.w3schools.com. I'll also give the link in the description. You have to navigate here first, and what are you gonna do next? What you're gonna do next is you have to create an account over here, or if you have an account already, you have to log in here first. And after it, what you're gonna do here is you have to click on this free website option. Now here we are on the free website page, and what you're gonna do is you have to click on this get started for free option, the big button. Now click on it. Now here you can see we are on the steps pages, and you have to complete it so that you can start the website, start creating your website, or you can import your code over here. So basically that's what it is. So if you are you have already created your website on your PC offline, so you're gonna click on this start with a blank page. You wanted to upload your website, but if you don't want to upload your website, you wanted to just create a new website online here, and you wanted to start with a template. You don't want to create everything by yourself, and you need you can say a design. Then click on the start with template option and click on continue next. And over here you can see there are many templates over here. There are many free templates over here. You can select any of them, and I will select one of them, which is basically this one. I'll just go with this one. Continue. Now over here you have to name your website, name your space. Click on the name your space option, and you have to name your website. What will be the name of your website? So I'll just go with the memeweb.w3spaces.com. It's basically going to be a meme website, but I'm not gonna build the whole website over here. It's just to show you that how you can get the free hosting and domain over here. You already know how to create a website, and if you don't, I will make another videos on it. I will create tutorials on HTML, CSS and JavaScript stuff, so don't worry about that. Just comment it in the comment section. But for now, let's just go on with the free hosting and domains thing. So this is the free domain over here, what will you get? This is a subdomain by W3 also, so you have to get it because it's free. So they will get something from you. Obviously they will not give you everything free. They will not give you .com, web.com for totally free, but you will have to get w3spaces.com. so now click on next or continue, my bad. Now here you can see your space is created. It says space created. That means your website is created. Now what you're gonna do over here, click on this. This is your website, and over here you can see this is your index.html file, in which your CSS and your main page, you can say index page over here, the complete template. But you can also create new folder over here, and you can also name it CSS or assets, in which you can place CSS and JavaScript. You can place CSS over here. See, the folder has been created, and the CSS folder, and in here you can also create a new file. You can see if you click on CSS, the extension over here, the extension format over here is changed. So we need a CSS file, so I'm gonna name it as style.css. I'm not gonna create the website over here, so because it's going to be a long video then, so I'm just gonna make a small video. Then in another videos I will also show you how you can create a website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. But for now, let's just not talk about it. Let's go back over here, and over here you have to also go to the back to all spaces, and this is the URL of your website. So click on it to see the website you have already. So you can see we already have this meme template. You can also change it. I will show you a little bit. You can also change this HTML. Also you can change it, edit it. I'll show you how you can do it. So go back to the spaces option, and over here you open this index.html, and over here you can see this is your HTML code, and you're already familiar with it, obviously, if you know HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And now if you can see over here, this is the h2 the heading, happy post. But what I'm gonna change is this dog caretaker. So let's copy it, and let me show you. You can also edit it without any difficulty. So this is the name. Just change it to dog ultra caretakers. I'm just putting anything. I don't know what I'm doing, sorry. Now let's just save it. You can also save it by pressing Control S. The thing you do it in your control editor, sorry, you do it in your text editors, your compilers. The file is saved now. Just refresh it, and you can see the ultra has been added over here, and that means the HTML code has been edited and saved also. So that's how you do it. You can edit your file. You can also change the CSS over here. The template CSS is over here, but if you want to link your CSS, your other CSS file, a totally different file, you can just go with the link option. Now let's just give the file name, and if you are confused that you have to go back every time and see the folder where it is, and you have to navigate by that form, don't worry about it. You can just click on this files option, and over here you can go to the CSS folder and copy relative path, and from here you can just and you can see the CSS file has been added over here, and it will run also. Now that's how you can get the free hosting and free domain online. And I know the subdomain is gonna stay there, w3.spaces subdomain is gonna stay there, but it is gonna stay there obviously because it's free, and in free plans, in free packages, there's something you're gonna get in return also, because it's free obviously. But don't worry about it. At start you just create your website, and after that you can, if you don't want the subdomain, or obviously if you want a professional or portfolio website, a professional website, you need to have your own professional domain like .com, .net and stuff. But don't worry about it. You can also upgrade your plan, your hosting plan, to get more access to the features in the W3 spaces, W3 school spaces. And you can also upload your own, you can also connect with your own domain, your own totally owned by you domain, which you have paid for. So that was it. So that's how you do it. So that was it for this video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and also if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and also click on the bell icon to get the latest videos notifications uploaded in the future. So that was it for this video. I'll meet you guys in the next video. See ya fellas.